Hi. Welcome to another Magisk tutorial. In this video we gonna show you how to install the ultimate equalizer, the Viper4Android FX, with the best sound preset without going through any custom tuning. Before we begin to install Viper4Android FX, your device must be rooted. Also you need to install Magisk Manager as well. First turn on mobile data and open the Magisk Manager app. Then tap the module tab on the dock. Now tap the search icon and type in Viper4Android FX. Hit the install button and it will start the installation process. After the installation process, you need to reboot your device, but before you do that, open the Viper4Android FX app from your app library, then the app will ask your permission to install drivers. Press OK and grant root permission. Now your device will reboot automatically. You almost done. Download the zip file from the video description and extract the files. Then copy these two files into this folder. Now remove your headphones and open Viper4Android FX app. Tap this button and select speakers and tap on load. Plug your headphones, and do the same thing. That's it. Enjoy your music. Let us know in the comment section if you face any errors. And if you like this video, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more useful content. Also don't forget to hit the like button. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in another video.